Hello. This is a recently finished piece titled Rosy Fingered in Wine Dark. And it's interesting in as much as that I've gone back and I've used a canvas I stretched a number of years ago. I'd stretched 5 like this back then, of which I have done over the years 3 of them, all of which have a very sort of sculptural element to them. There's 3-dimensional things added into them. And this one now, I've returned now to you incorporating those sculptural elements, the 3-dimensionality aspect of things, along with what I've been doing more recently, which has been a little more straightforward, flatter painting sort of things that I've been doing with the stripes and whatnot. So in this one, now this area is inset. I'd stretched these so that there's a square inset piece going back to the depth of it. And then this down here projects out a little bit. So the two play off of each other, and along with tie in with the frame, of which with these pieces is perhaps a bit more important element than it may be in other pieces that I've done recently, in as much as it needs us to reinforce these elements, to tie it all together, as it were. It's an interesting piece. I felt all along that there was this awkward quality to what I was doing, which was concerning, because I mean, awkwardness is something maybe you want to try to avoid. But I think the awkwardness that remains in it makes it a bit more interesting, makes it a bit perhaps edgier, a little bit more going on. There's that sort of sense of things not being quite resolved, but resolved enough that I think it holds together coherently. And I'll have to see where it goes from here, working back in the sculptural elements. Thank you.